Now I pray His Holiness Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji to kindly deliver the benediction and shower his blessings on all of us.
ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಲದಿಂದ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಕೇಡು ನೋಡಯ್ಯ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬಲದಿಂದ ತಮಂದದ ಕೇಡು ನೋಡಯ್ಯ, ಪುರುಷದ ಬಲದಿಂದ ಅವಲೋಹದ ಕೇಡು ನೋಡಯ್ಯ, ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗನ ಶರಣರ ಅನುಭವದಿಂದ ಭವದ ಕೇಡು ನೋಡಯ್ಯ. ಬಸವಾದಿ ಪ್ರಮತರನ್ನ, ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಗುರುದೇವರನ್ನ ಹನುಮಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಕ್ತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಗೈತ Dr. Sudhir Kamath, Chief Guest of the graduation ceremony, Shri T.K. Ninappa, our Honorable Secretary, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, Director of SIT, distinguished members of Governing Council and Academic Council, invitees, my dear graduating students and their respected parents and media persons. I am delighted to participate in the 10th graduation day ceremony of Siddhanga Institute of Technology under the autonomous system. I heartily congratulate all the students who have worked hard to become competent engineers and managers in their chosen fields of specialization. I am also very happy to learn that 758 job offers were made for the 2018-19 batch graduating students through the campus recruitment process. Appreciation is also due to the faculty and staff for their efforts in enabling the students to be successful in the campus selection process. Graduation ceremony is a festive and joyful occasion for the graduating students and their parents. This special occasion celebrates reaching of a milestone in the form of recognition of a hard-earned degree by young students, which they will cherish as they march on their lives. So it is befitting that they are commemorating the road that they have all traveled together these last few years. Dear graduating students, today is a special moment in your lives and deserve applaud for your achievements. I congratulate all the graduating students and who have received the gold medals, cash awards and certificates. Your parents as well as faculty and staff, all of whom have made your success possible, deserve congratulations. Dear students, India and the world are awaiting you to make valuable contributions for the development of the society. I understand that a great majority of the graduating students is aspiring to join the productive workforce of India, wherein 65% of the population is below the age of 35 years. Today, India occupies a strategic position in the global economy with 7+% annual GDP growth rate. India has earned a distinction of being the fastest growing economy in the world. Average return on equity for corporate India continues to be the highest in the world. It is currently 17.5%, which is higher than the developed countries as well as emerging market economies. India's liquid and diversified equity market is offering a wealth of investment opportunities to international investors. Foreign direct investment and foreign portfolio investment to India are already on the rise. The forex reserves have currently stood at $426.42 billion. The famous philosopher Francis Bacon said, knowledge is power. ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ 12ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದ ಅಲ್ಲಮಪ್ರಭು ಅನುಭಾವಿಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿನ್ನೊಡವೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಜ್ಞಾನರತ್ನ, ಅಂತಃಪದಿವೆ ರತ್ನವನ್ನು ನೀನು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿದರೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿರಿವಂತರಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ ಗುಹೇಶ್ವರ. Knowledge is power, which is the secret of success. The progress of nation is quantified by its achievements in science and technology. We are ideally poised to become a knowledge power with a large resource of intellectuals, high caliber scientists and technologists with good research. The success of future societies depends on knowledge strength. Future societies will be knowledge societies And in these societies, knowledge is a major production resource. Knowledge is created, shared, and used to the well-being and prosperity of all. Future economies will be knowledge economies, as praised by management guru Peter Drucker. It is the knowledge content and its use by societies that will decide their well-being and prosperity. Computing and communication-driven information technology will be the major force behind knowledge economies. India is making good improvement in the Global Innovation Index 2019 and stands at 52nd position among 130 countries. The country's performance is laudable as it rose by 24 positions in the last 4 years. Innovation leads to technological progress, which is an important driver of economic growth. Dear students, you are an intelligent lot and dedicate yourselves to find solution to the societal issues with emphasis to the rural community through innovation and thus contributing to help the nation to reach pinnacle position globally. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, says Arthur Ashe. Dear students, you have a long journey ahead in your working life, spanning our next 4 decades. Please remember, success is not just your career, position, pay package, and perquisites. It is beyond these things. You need to develop an integrated perspective to your concept of life and success based on ethical code of conduct. Remember the following sessions which you need to adopt for success and to become good citizen. All along your careers in corporate world and entrepreneurial ventures, you need to uphold the strong value system and practice lifelong self-learning. The science and technology are fast growing, and in this connection, I recall the saying of our Guruji, His Holiness Dr. Shri Shivkumar Mahaswamiji. The saying is, yesterday's relevance is today's obsolescence, and today's relevance is tomorrow's obsolescence. Therefore, you need to keep abreast of the developments on the continuous basis. To be a great leader, one must always be willing to walk through the door of learning. I recall the famous quote by the Swiss-born British artist critic W. Fusselman, "Today a reader, tomorrow a leader," which truly sums up the worthiness of the reading habit. Siddhanga Institute of Technology has nurtured you well to become engineers and managers. Always remember your alma mater, visit it regularly, interact with the students studying in the institute, and guide them with your expertise. You also give your suggestions for the development of the institute. We rejoice hearing about your progress. More importantly, respect your parents, who have contributed immensely over 2 decades for your success. You owe a lot to them and look after them sincerely with honor till their last breath. Always remember that you are the inheritors of the great Indian culture and wisdom. A core value of Indian culture is spirituality. Spirituality does not mean moving away from worldly responsibilities. It advocates active life based on universal brotherhood and compassion for all. Develop scientific temper and reject superstitions and religious dogmas. Have faith in God, who manifests himself through his innumerable bounties to mankind. My dear students, whatever you do and wherever you are, please remember that you are the ambassadors of SIT. We expect all SITians should be known not only for high technical competence but also for sterling character. I quote Mahatma Gandhiji's saying, "Watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become your behaviors. Watch your behaviors, they become your habits. Watch your habits, they become your values. Watch your values, they become your character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny." Dear graduating students, let me reiterate that this graduation ceremony is not the end, but it is the beginning of bright new future. Wish you all the best. Let us not wait for the events to unfold. Let us prepare ourselves to make them happen. I I conclude my address with the great engineer of the nation, Bharat Ratna Sir M. Visvesvaraya, saying, which is also given in the graduation souvenir given to you. When a young man leaves the institution after a course of training, he should be clean in speech and habits, with correct sense of patriotism, loyalty to the country, aptitude for initiative, love for self-help, appreciation of the value of time, respect of law and order, and a knowledge of the value of right thinking and right living, sufficiently well equipped to fall into a position in some business or other and be able to support himself. Once again, may I take this opportunity to wish all the young graduates of Siddharanga Institute of Technology a great future and pray God bless you to realize your dreams. Thank you and all. Shivam Bhuyat.
Now I request the respected chairman, His Holiness Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, to officially declare the ceremony dissolved.
I declare this graduation ceremony dissolved.